Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the camera and network so pairing goes smoothly. Power the Nest outdoor camera, then watch for the LED blink which signals pairing mode. This is crucial because the camera won't appear in the app otherwise. Once done, open the Google Home app, sign into your Google account, and tap the plus button to add a device. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi band you intend to use. Mismatched bands will prevent a clean initial connection. After the app locates the camera, scan the QR code on the device or type the setup key. This authenticates the camera to your account. Next, choose the Wi-Fi band, use 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for bandwidth, then name the camera and assign it to a room so routines work. Configure video quality, create activity zones to reduce false alerts, and set motion sensitivity. Doing this during setup saves time later. And mount the Nest outdoor camera at 7 to 9 feet for ideal field of view. Angle it toward entry points and secure cables with weatherproofing to prevent water ingress. Once mounted, confirm a live view in the app, enable notifications you want, and set sharing or privacy options for family members. If the camera shows offline, reboot the camera and router first. If that fails, double-check the Wi-Fi password and signal strength. Then temporarily move the router, or use an extender to rule out coverage issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.